Here we go with hat number 11. Now this one, the last three hats have had the triangles off on the top of the head. So I went ahead and made my 3 triangles by connecting the adjoining ones with about a thumb and a hand width bubble. So I've got my 3 triangles on the base there, as you can see all the way around. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take my white one here, move a lot to the end, and I'm just going to pull off a thumb width bubble. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to come around, let me bring this where you can see where we're at. My white one is coming off with this triangle here. I'm going to go around and I'm going to skip the purple and come over to the yellow. So what you're doing is it's above this one, so you're skipping over 2. And I'm going to twist it in at the bottom just like that. Then I'm going to come to my next triangle, and I'm going to grab my yellow. I'm going to do the same thing. Now it's easier to see now because you've got your white ones coming out here. So I'm going to skip over 2 and come out on the green one. And then my final triangle here, I'm going to grab my pink, pull the bubble off the end, and again I'm just pulling a hand width bubble from the end of it. I'm going to skip over 2, which will put me on the blue here. And when I turn it over, you'll see what I've done. Each of those came, and so now I've got one connecting to every other one. So my yellow one connects here at the green, you skip the white, pink connects at the blue, skip the purple, and white connects here at the yellow. There we go. Forgot my color for a minute there. Isn't that sad? Okay, so now we've got our 3 pieces sticking up here. So what we're going to do with those, I'm going to jump back across the triangle, and I want it to kind of stick up. This one, you can kind of guess however you want. If you want them more straight, or if you want them, I want them kind of expanding out. So I'm going to measure about to there, and twist the green in with the purple. Then I'm going to come over and do the same thing, purple across to the blue, and then blue back to where we started with the green here. We've got our triangle on the top, and then we're going to take these 3, and like a jester's hat, just bring those 3 up to the top together, twist them together, and now we just need to come back and put all our little bubbles. And again, let me straighten these up so they'll sit better. Put all our little bubbles out there. And I'm going to take these and put a ton of it, turn them down. Sometimes I'll turn them up, sometimes I'll turn them down. It all just depends on the mood I'm in. And there you go. Another really fun hat.